Hello, this is our new designed 5D Lipo laser machine. This is how the interface looks like. And these are the pedals, treatment pedals. For our new versions, we equipped with 5 different wavelengths. Okay, from the interface, you can see we have 650 nanometers, 780 nanometers, 808 nanometers, 9400 nanometers, and 980 nanometers. 5 different wavelengths. There are 28 diode laser lights on each pedals. This is the big pedals, and this is a small pedals. There are 3 lights. The small one mainly used to work on face, double chins, or arms. A and B stand for left and right part pedals. Small a and small b stand for big pedals, and big A and big B stand for big pedals, and small a, small b stand for small pedals. We suggest 5 wavelengths work together, and here we can adjust the treatment time. It's 1 to 6 minutes. Energy is 1 to 15 levels. This is pause and delay. One treatment we suggest about 30 minutes. From the energy we suggest 12 from 8. Okay, now the machine is working.
This is our newest 5D Lipo laser machine, and now we are experiencing this 5D Lipo laser machine. If you're doing treatment, you can connect the pedals, and the treat time about 45 minutes.